Most businesses think their website problem is traffic. It's not. The real problem? Your website content might be quietly killing sales without you even realizing it. And the scary part is, most of these mistakes actually look professional. Today, I'm going to show you 7 website content mistakes that instantly push visitors away, and exactly how to fix each one. And trust me, some of these are painful. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, generic headlines. If your homepage headline says something like, "We provide innovative digital solutions for modern businesses," congratulations. You sound exactly like everyone else. Your headline should instantly answer, "What do you do? Who is it for? And why should I care?" Because confused visitors don't convert. Make your headline painfully clear. Instead of creative marketing solutions, say, "We help local businesses generate more leads through SEO and conversion-focused websites." Specificity wins. Honestly, some website headlines sound like they were written by a corporate motivational poster. Mistake number 2, talking too much about yourself. Nobody visits your website thinking, "I really hope this company talks about itself for 20 minutes. Visitors care about one thing: how does this help me? But most websites say, "We are passionate, we are committed." Cool. But what problem do you solve? Shift your content from "about us" to "what the customer gets." Focus on outcomes, not company autobiography. Mistake number 3, no clear CTA. Some websites have so many buttons, it feels like a digital escape room. Learn more, explore, discover, maybe click here. Your visitor should never have to guess the next step. Use one clear CTA per section. Examples: book a free audit or get a free consultation. Simple always converts better. If your homepage has 14 buttons competing for attention, even your website is confused. Mistake number 4, walls of text. People don't read websites. They scan them. Huge paragraphs instantly increase bounce rates because visitors feel overwhelmed before they even start reading. Break content into short paragraphs, bold key points, and clear sections. Make your content feel effortless to consume. Your website should feel like scrolling Instagram, not reading a legal document. Mistake number 5, no trust signals. You can say, "We're the best." But honestly, every business says that. Visitors trust proof more than promises. Add testimonials, case studies, reviews, and client logos. Trust signals reduce hesitation, and hesitation kills conversions. Show them you've done it before, and they'll trust you can do it for them. And no, your cousin saying "great service, bro" doesn't count as a testimonial. Mistake number 6, writing for everyone. One of the fastest ways to kill conversions? Trying to appeal to everyone. When your message targets everybody, it connects with nobody. Speak directly to your ideal customer. Instead of "we help businesses grow," say, "We help local service businesses generate more qualified leads online." Specific messaging creates stronger trust. Mistake number 7, no emotional connection. Facts inform people. Emotion moves people. Most websites sound robotic. Visitors connect more with problems and outcomes. Use emotional language naturally. Talk about lost time, missed leads, and then the relief of confidence. People buy emotionally first, then justify logically later. Don't just list features, sell the transformation. If your website has even a few of these mistakes, there's a good chance it's hurting your conversions right now. The good news? Most of them are fixable. If you want the full breakdown of all 7 website content mistakes and detailed solutions, read the complete article on our website. Link is in the description. And if you want to know what's hurting your conversions, HBA Web Solutions offers a completely free website audit. We'll show you exactly where improvements can be made. Because sometimes small content changes create massive business results. Book your audit today.